So continuing to look at Azure Monitor, now we already talked about alerts and how you can go into the alerts report of Azure Monitor and create rules and look for notifications that alerts are firing. Let's talk about metrics. Now, alerts are basically notifications that happen behind the scenes, and it'll basically just fire off a message when something meets a criteria. But metrics is a little bit different, okay? Here I am in the metrics section, and I need to it's basically creating a chart. So I've created this new chart. I'm going to go into my AZ100 resource group. I can see all of the resources in there. I'm going to choose the virtual machine. And now I get to choose from the various metrics. Let's look at network in, okay? And I want to add another metric to the same chart. I'm going to look at network out, okay? So this is a chart that contains the network in and network out for this AZ100 virtual machine. Okay, I could pin this chart to my dashboard as an example, and so when I leave and go to the home, I have to scroll over. I can obviously reposition this when I edit my thing, but I've basically put a chart of something that I care about apparently into the home page here. Okay, let's go back into Monitor, back into Metrics. You'll notice that when I go back into it, the chart that we were working on is gone, right? So we've added it to the dashboard, but by leaving the screen and coming back into it, we've now lost our setup. So this metrics section is really just like a report that you're generating on the fly, and it's not meant to be your dashboard. So if you want reports to be permanent, you have to add them to your dashboard. Okay, let's pick another thing here. Instead of the AZ100 resource group, let's go into AZ First Web App. Okay, and I've got my app service. Now the inputs and outputs, the types of metrics that we can monitor is different for an app service than for VM, which is different than storage account and IP addresses and things like that. So basically I can now start to build useful charts that are going to tell me over the course of, in this case, last 24 hours. I can obviously change this, make it a 30-day chart, although I guess I haven't been saving metrics for that long, but you can sort of see the potential there.